Hey, welcome to Fix-It. Today I will show you how to check contacts on Gmail. Let's go. Contacts in Gmail is important to ensure all your saved contacts are up to date and accessible whenever you need them. First of all, open up any web browser you like and go to google.com. After that, sign in to your Gmail account. Then tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on Google account. Once you are on this page, swipe left on these options at the top, then tap on the People and Sharing option. Now scroll down a bit and you'll see a section called Contacts, and just tap on it. Now you'll be able to see all the contacts saved on your Gmail account. You can tap on any of these contacts to view them and see all the contact details. You can also add a profile photo in front of each contact. It allows users to store and manage their contacts across multiple devices, providing a better way of organizing contact information. Not only is Google Contacts easy to use and highly secure, but it also helps you save time you would have spent on manually entering data into your address book. Thanks for choosing Fix-It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.